Okay, problem 901 says find the value of x to the 11th minus 7x to the 7th plus x cubed, given that you have x plus 1 over x equals the root of 5. Now, the given equation is quadratic, if I simplify that. And over here, certainly you can solve that quadratic and get these two numbers over here. The problem is expanding this, and that's an issue. So what do you mean by expanding it? X to the 11th and blah, blah, blah. So we go through paper and pencil work, and we got an answer. And the answer we got, let's take a look at it, was that it's equal to 0. All right? So what I want to do is just, saying kind of a remarkable result, but what I want to do is go to Sage now. I'm going to clear the screen and type in this code. I'm just testing myself. So first thing is just, reset, define x to be a variable, f of x, and f of x, we'll go through this, is this thing over here. I'm going to just copy paste it. So let me copy this over here. Back over it. And you can evaluate f at any number now. Like, for example, f of 1. You get this over here. Now, what did I type in? I typed in this over here, x to the 11th minus 7x to the 7th plus x cubed. All right? The next thing I want to do is solve the equation. Let me do that right now. And the equation I'm going to solve is the given one, which is x plus 1 over x is equal to the square root of 5. And we're going to solve for the letter, or the variable x. Let's go back up here and just make sure, that's written. That's the given equation, x plus 1 over x equals square root of 5. Now, in Sage, I'm typing in a double equal sign for an equation. This is actually going to solve for x, and I get two numbers there. Now, what I want to do with those two numbers is evaluate the function. Now, you have to access these results here. The way I do that is I'm going to use a placeholder, and the placeholder, I'm just going to, basically type this in again. And if I display S now, I got those solutions over there. So I want to access the solutions. And one way to do it is just simply say, I want to know the first element of that, and that's going to be S0. Now, when I put that in, it's going to give me with the X in it. It's the first element there. If I don't want the X, what I do is I just type in, I just want the right-hand side of it. It's just going to give me the number. So what am I doing over here? I'm just simply looking at the evaluation of the function at that number to see if it's the same thing as 0. All right? So let me do that here. Copy paste. And again, I'll explain to you what I'm doing over here. The function, again, is that given function that we're asked to evaluate at the solution to that problem. And one of the solutions is S0. And I want to see, does it equal 0? It's either going to be true or false. True. Now, someone says, could you just simply take the function, let's just look at that, and evaluate the function. And let me just do that. And I'll hit return. Oops, I made a mistake over here. Let me just type it in. Let me say, if you copy wrong, it's not good. So S0. Oops. Right-hand side. I don't think I want to expand that yet. And that's a problem. Let me do the expand now. I want to see if it goes towards 0. Yeah, it does. So we could do that. All right. Let's type the next one in, and I'm going to put this one in over here. And I'm not going to do Boolean this time. I'm going to do the expansion this time. 1. Now, Sage starts counting at 0. So the second element there, which is this one over here, this should also evaluate to 0. And it does. Thank you.